Hey, what's up YouTube? So this is going to be part 3 of the Acura RSX base swap, and we're just going to start finishing everything up. I got to tighten up some things, put some hoses on, fuel line, and do serpentine belt. We'll go over everything, make sure everything is good so we can get a first time start. And also I'm going to be putting some transmission fluid in. Some people ask me where do I put it in at. I just take the speed sensor out. It's a 12mm bolt, and just fill it up in there. It's about 1.7, 1.8 liters if it's a dry tranny. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put some fluid in here, put the fuel line on, tighten up a couple bolts, and see if we can get this thing to crank up. Also, if you're running a silicone gasket, make sure this is where you put your ground at, because the gasket doesn't allow the manifold to be grounded, so you don't want to put it right here. Other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and knock this out real fast and we'll come back. All right guys, so I got the intake on there, I got my oil in my transmission, I topped off my power steering fluid, got my belt on, and everything's basically tightened up. I got the hoses down there, probably can't really see them. Those are on there. So right now I'm gonna go for the first attempt. So we're gonna crank some fuel in here. Get the keys real fast. Alright, so I haven't attempted to start this car yet, but number one thing is to make sure you got fuel. So I do it a couple times, make sure the fuel pressure gets up in there into the 40-50 range. So usually the third time is good. Now I can go check to see if I have any fuel pressure leaks, which would be right here, but we're all good. So I'm gonna go for the first start. And it does have old gas in here, so it might not start. Let's see. Technically first time. No, it's kind of bad gas. Come on. Yeah, so I didn't get a first time start, but just to show you, sometimes it doesn't always happen. But like I said, this has bad gas in it. The car's set for 4 years, so let's go check it out. There's no smoke. So no smoking. And no check engine lights, as you can see. I'm gonna throw in some radiator fluid, and then I'm gonna do a spark plug change on it next. Spark plug wire or spark plug coils. Swap these out, and I'm gonna tighten up everything up, and it will feel alright. Alright guys, so everything's basically ready. Got my radiator fluid in, tied down the battery, bumpers on, flywheel covers on, and I changed the coil packs and spark plugs. So should be ready to go for a test drive right now. So I'll get this hood shut, and then we'll get on start this thing up. Alright guys, we're gonna go for a little test drive around the corner, see how the car feels. This is a base model, so I'm not gonna punch it, plus the gas is kind of bad in here, so we literally just want to make sure car's drivable and goes in all the gears and everything. Not bad, it's a smooth ride. And it's all stock, it just has intake. The car was sitting for about feels like crap with the gas it's in. It's kind of sputtering a little bit, so might want to drain this gas tank, or at least just put some fresh gas in here to make sure it rides smooth and everything. But other than that, guys, I believe this is gonna be it for this car. If you haven't, like, share, and subscribe to my page. Make sure you hit the notifications so you can see when I upload. If you need to get in contact with me, it'll be at KSeriousWorks on Instagram, or you can hit me up on email, honda.mike1988@gmail.com. And stay tuned, guys. I got a lot more coming. K24, K20,